Hello, sir. Can I help you?
No, I don't need any help, man. I'm just homeless. I found a spot. I'm just trying to warm up.
Can I?
I don't want to talk anymore!
I'm sorry, sir.
I told you I don't want to talk anymore!
Just calm down.
Hello? Anybody in here?
You need to leave. You need to leave. You're offending me. Wait.
I understand, sir. We'll.
I'm not a sir. I am not a sir.
I apologize.
Anybody here today? I want to speak to someone in charge.
Hello, sir.
It was cost to build this church.
Yeah.
How much it cost to heat this church? Are you warm? Are you nice and toasty?
Granddaughter, I've watched her. She's almost 2. I've been watching her for the
Ma'am,
first year of her
ma'am,
life. I watched her.
ma'am.
3 days a week I watched her. Yes, I have the right to take her.
It's been my understanding that there's been an issue before and you've been asked not to come back to